Welcome to DocuBills, the dashboard. Upon logging in, you are greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you get a bird's eye view of your financial health, including total revenue, total deficit, and a breakdown of paid versus unpaid invoices. The activity and status charts provide a clear visual representation of your monthly performance. Now, click Invite. Enter the employee's name, email, role, and department. You can track all invitation statuses in the Employee Invite Activity section. Now click on Create Invoice. Select your client, upload your data source via Google Sheets or Excel, and your professional billing document is ready. Now click Invoice History. This section allows you to view, search, and filter all your past transactions to keep track of every billing detail. Now click on Clients. The Clients tab gives you full control to add client, edit, and manage your entire client database. Keep your spending in check using the Expenses module. You can log new costs, categorize them, filter records by specific dates, and export your reports to monitor exactly where your money is going. In the Settings menu, use the Basic tab to manage your core business identity. Here, you can update your company profile, choose your functional currency, and upload your official logo to ensure all your documents look professional and branded. Switch to the Users tab to maintain your team. This section allows you to view all active members, manage their status, and add new users to the platform to collaborate on your financial tasks. Now click Permissions Matrix. This is where you define exactly what each role, such as admin, manager, or assistant, can see and do. You can toggle specific permissions for every module, ensuring that each user has the right level of access to manage invoices, view reports, or handle sensitive financial data. Now click Payment Methods. Here you can easily connect and manage gateways like Stripe or direct bank transfers. Simply enter your details to activate the methods that suit your clients best, ensuring a professional checkout experience. Now click Reminder Settings. This automation tool lets you schedule professional follow-up emails. Simply set triggers for upcoming or overdue payments to stay on top of your receivables without any manual effort. Now click Tax Classes. Define specific tax percentages like GST or VAT for accurate and compliant invoicing. Now click Email Templates. Customize your automated messages for invoices and reminders to ensure every client communication stays on brand and professional. Now click Login Logs. Track every session with details like user ID, IP address, browser, and OS to ensure total account security and transparency. Now click Trash Bin. Here, you can view any accidentally deleted items and restore them with a single click. This concludes the overview of DocuBills, designed to make managing your business finances effortless. Thank you.